Okay, so welcome back, and now here are the 4 steps for problem solving when you want to implicitly differentiate a function, or to take the derivative of a function that is defined implicitly. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the derivative of both sides of the equation, okay, and then you're going to keep in mind that y is a function of x, which means that when you take this function, you're going to end up with a dy dx, because in a lot of cases you're going to end up using the chain rule. Okay? 2, rewrite the equation so that all terms containing dy dx are on one side of the equation, and all the terms that do not contain dy dx are going to be on the other side of the equation. Typically we want dy dx on the left side, because we always write whatever we're solving for on the left. So it'd be dy dx on the left equals whatever else is on the right. That's what our goal is. So we want all the terms, let's say, on the left, so we can factor out in the next step. Because in the next step we're going to factor out dy dx from the terms that we've put on one side that all contain dy dx. Then the final one is we're going to solve for dy dx by dividing by the appropriate factor, the appropriate expression. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so we're going to do an example. So hold tight. In the next video we're going to do an example, but again, make sure you write these down and keep these in mind as you practice these.